Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Berani belajar, kalian harus berani. Nah, kali ini kita udah masuk ke unit 8, unit 8, Present Perfect 2. I have done atau seri kedua dari Present Perfect. Jika kalian menonton video ini, maka kalian sebelumnya harus nonton ke yang bagian unit 7 ya, Present Perfect 1. Contoh penggunaan adalah I have done. Nah, tidak usah berlama-lama, kita langsung ke bagian memahami contoh example-nya ya. Situation or conversation. Kali ini kita lihat ada conversation dari Dave and Jane. Dari Dave dulu. Have you traveled a lot, Jane? Yes, I've been to lots of places. Really? Have you ever been to China? Yes, I've been to China twice. What about India? No, I haven't been to India. Nah, kita bahas ya. When we talk about a period of time, jika kita bicara a period of time that continues from the past until now. Nah, jadi period of time itu tentang waktu dari masa dulu lampau, dari yang lampau ini ke sekarang itu. Nah, jadi dia continuous ya, continue. Nah, we use the present perfect. Have been or have traveled or have gone. Nah, here Dave and Jane are talking about the place Jane has visited in her life, which is a period that continues until now. Ini si Jane's life. Jadi kehidupan si Jane itu dari past dan now sampai ke now itu kan, sorry, kok hilang dong? Sebentar. Sorry guys. Lah kok sebentar ya, mohon maaf nih. Oke, sorry. Nah, sampai mana tadi? Ya, tadi kan kehidupan si Jen itu kan berlangsung ya dari past sampai now. Jadi mereka bahas itu ya, udah kemana aja si Jen ini gitu. In the same way, dengan cara yang sama kita dapat mengatakan, have you ever eaten caviar? Apakah kamu pernah makan caviar? Kan kita nanya dari dulu kehidupan dia sampai sekarang itu udah pernah nggak gitu. Contoh berikutnya, we have never had a car. We've never had a car. Kita nggak pernah tuh punya mobil. Nah, dari dulu sampai sekarang belum pernah. Kemudian nomor 3, contoh ketiga, I don't know what the film is about. I haven't seen it. Aku nggak tahu film itu tentang apa, aku belum nontonnya. Oke. Berikutnya boleh kita pakai seperti itu. Susan really loves that book. Si Susan ini sangat menyukai buku itu. She has read it 3 times. Okay. It's a really boring movie. It's the most boring movie I have ever seen. Okay. Been to itu visit ya, makanya katanya I haven't been to India. Berarti I belum pernah mengunjungi ya. I've never been to Canada. Have you been there? Nah, apakah kamu pernah mengunjungi Kanada? Aku tak pernah mengunjungi Kanada. Apakah kamu pernah gitu ya kira-kira. Kemudian yang B, in the following example 2, the speaker are talking about a period that continues until now. Nah, tapi di sini dia ada kata-kata ininya, ada recently, in the last few days, so far, since I arrived, dan sebagainya. Dan kalau misalnya kita lihat di bagian ini ada past, ini now, recently ya kira-kira ini di awal apa? Baru-baru ini, in the last few days, ya dari past, now, since I arrived. Nah, a period of time that continues until now. Okay. Have you heard anything from Ben recently? Nah, ya boleh kita pakai ya. Karena dia a period of time continues sampai sekarang. I've met a lot of people in the last few days. Aku ketemu banyak orang beberapa hari terakhir. Oke, ini udah. Yang ketiga, everything is going well. There haven't been any problems so far. Oke. There haven't been any problems so far. Oke. Dapat dipahami ya. Kita lanjut. The weather is bad here. It has rained every day since I arrived. From when I arrived until now, it's rain every day. Nah, itu dia. A period of time continues until now. Kemudian next, it's good to see you again. We haven't seen each other for a long time. Okay. For a long time. Okay. Nah, in the same way, dengan cara yang sama, in the same way, we use the present perfect with today, this evening, this year, when these periods are not finished at the time of speaking. Dan this period dan waktu periode ini belum selesai pada saat berbicara. Misalnya today, berarti today-nya hari ini belum selesai. Nah, seperti itu ya. I've drunk 4 cups of coffee today. Nah, aku udah minum kopi nih 4 cup hari ini, tapi hari ini memang belum selesai. Nah, itu boleh kita pakai si present perfect ya. Have you had a holiday this year? Nah, oke, itu boleh ya. Nice. Kemudian terakhir, I haven't seen Tom this morning. Have you? Nah, this morning, tapi this morning itu masih dari pas kan katanya this morning, kata saat dia ngomong itu sampai sekarang dia belum lihat, tapi sampai berlangsung dia sekarang ini gitu. Have you? Nah, yang kedua masuk ke yang C. We say it the first time something has happened. First time ya, first time biasanya. First time something has happened, terjadi. Jadi sesuatu terjadi pertama kali. Contohnya, Don is having a driving lesson. Oh, sorry, I distract. Sorry, mana kita tadi? Oh ya, Don is having a driving lesson. It's his first lesson. Nah, dia having a driving lesson, dia belajar mengendarai. It's his first lesson. Nah, itu adalah pelajaran pertamanya. This is the first time I've driven a car. Okay, we can say it's the first time he has driven a car. It's the first time he has driven a car. It's the first time he has driven a car, not drive. Oke ya, karena dia first time dan udah terjadi juga sebenarnya, boleh pakai ini. Or he hasn't driven a car before, or he has never driven a car before. Ya sama aja sebenarnya pemaknaannya. He hasn't driven a car before. Dia nggak pernah mengemudi sebelumnya. Dia tidak pernah, nevernya tidak mengemudi. Dia tidak mengemudi sebelum, tidak mengendarai mobil sebelumnya. Dia tidak pernah mengemudi mobil sebelumnya. Kan sama aja sebenarnya maksudnya. It's a same meaning but different way to explain it. Nah, in the same way we say Sarah has lost her passport again. This is the second time this has happened. Nah, not happens. Oke. Kayaknya sih kebayang ya. Mudah-mudahan kebayang ya. Kalau nggak kebayang, ulang-ulangin aja contoh-contoh kalimat yang mungkin lama-lama kebayang. Sarah has lost her passport again. Oke, dia kehilangan pasportnya lagi. This is the second time. Ini adalah waktu kedua ini terjadi. Has happened. Kemudian, contoh berikutnya. Andy is phoning his girlfriend again. Nah, ada again-nya nih. Again. It's the third time. Ini yang ketiga kalinya. He phoned her. He has phoned her. Dia menelpon si perempuan ini this evening. Berarti kondisi waktu itu pasnya waktu dia ngomong si this evening itu evening sampai sekarang itu now udah 3 kali, misalnya di sini dia nelpon, di sini dan di sini dia ada 3 kali dia nelpon. Nah ini tadi period of time that continues until now. Oke. Mungkin kita langsung ke ini aja ya, ke bahas-bahas soal dah biar kebayang ya mungkin penggunaannya, karena kayaknya si bahasa Inggris itu harus banyak berlatih juga kayaknya. Emang iya sih harus banyak berlatih, semuanya harus banyak berlatih sih memang. Kita masuk ke yang 8 dulu ya. 8.1. Kita disuruh ngapain sih? You ask people about things they have done. Write a question with ever. Oke, jadi kita nanya sesuatu udah pernah belum gitu ya. Tapi pakai ever ya. Have you ever been to California? Kayaknya ini kegedean ya apanya. Nah, oke. Have you ever been to California? Oke. Kemudian run marathon. Have you ever run, tetap run ya, a marathon? Nah, oke. Nah, kemudian gimana tuh? Speak famous person. Kita pernah berbicara nggak sama orang terkenal? Have, lu ya, bukan gua, lu. Have you ever spoken with to a famous, with boleh juga ya, famous person. Number 5, what you, enggak ya, kayaknya bisa sih kayak what is the most aduh susah banget nulisnya coy. The most beautiful place, kok kayak gitu sih, place you've ever visited. Nah, boleh ya. Oke. Kemudian kita masuk ke 8.2. 8.2 kita disuruh complete the answers. Some sentence are positive and some negative. Sebagian positif, sebagian negatif. Gunakan ada verbsnya di bawah. What's Mark sister? Oh, oke, menarik juga sih sebenarnya. Oke ya. Kita coba dulu. Yang A, what is Mark's sister like? Kemudian jawab, I've no idea. I've never met her. Betul juga, dia belum pernah ketemu. Is everything going well? Yes, we haven't had any problems so far. Pada saat dia ngomong sampai sekarang belum ada terjadi apa-apa. Are you hungry? Yes. Nah, ini have sama meet udah. I haven't eaten gitu ya. I haven't eaten much today. Oke, ini udah. Apakah kamu lapar? Ya, aku belum banyak makan hari ini gitu. Can you play chess? Apakah kamu bisa main catur? Yes, but Aku udah lama nggak main, itu intinya kan. Tapi I haven't play 4H. Haven't played atau play chess 4H. Oke. Play udah. Are you enjoying your holiday? Apakah kamu menikmati hari liburmu? Yes, it's the best holiday have lah berarti ya, yang aku miliki gitu. Yes, it's the best holiday I ever I've had ya berarti. Nggak usah pakai ever sih, nggak perlu kan, nggak disuruh sih. I've had ya berarti. Nah, I have for a long time itu adalah liburan terbaikku for a long time, dalam waktu yang lama. What is the book about? Tentang apa buku itu? I don't know. Oh, I don't know. Nah, I haven't, kayaknya kebanyakan haven't ya. Haven't read it. Oke. Kemudian, is Brussels an interesting place? I have no idea. Ini udah. Kayaknya belum pernah ke sana. I've never been there. I've not been gitu, I never been there kan. I haven't been there. I've never, kayaknya enak pakai never deh. Never been there. Oke. So, kita lanjutkan. I hear your car broke down again yesterday. Yes. It's the second time. Nah, ini pasti happen ya. It's the second time it happened atau it has happened. It's happened. Nah, it's happened or that's happened boleh juga ya. Oke. Number 9, do you like caviar? I don't know. Apakah kamu suka caviar? Aku nggak tahu. Aku belum pernah makan pastinya. Aku belum pernah coba. Try karena nggak ada makan. It-nya udah dipakai. I've never try it. Nah, I haven't tried. Boleh ya. Atau eaten juga boleh, tapi karena nggak ada lagi kan it-nya, udah pakai try. Mike was late for work again today. Again? He has been late every day. Nah, okay, yang number 11. Who is that woman by the door? I don't know. C lah berarti. I've never seen them. Seen her before. Oke. Menarik ya. Kemudian kita lanjut ke 8.3. 8.3 adalah 4 word for sentence about yourself. Use I haven't and choose from the box. Oke. Contoh yang pertama ya. I haven't used a computer today. Aku belum ada pakai komputer hari ini. Boleh. Ini boleh pakai ini, boleh pakai ini. Tapi myself ya, berarti I semua ya. I've been to the cinema recently. Pakai today aja lah. I've been to the cinema twice this week. Biar lebih asik. Jadi sebenarnya kebebasan ya, karena kebetulan kita pakai yang ini biar pernah semua kita pakai. Travel by bus. I've travel by bus this year to my, nggak apa-apa lah aku tambah ya, to my hometown this year. Nah, oke. Ini udah read a book. I've read a book. Oh, biar agak beda dikit. Sebentar. I haven't read a book recently. Nah, this year udah ya. Lost anything. I've never lost anything since 2020 misalnya. Boleh lah ya. Oke. Kita masuk ke yang 8.4. Jadi ini kita ada, aku sisain satu buat kalian yang mana tahu pengen ya. Nah, jadi kita ada read the situation and complete the sentences. Oke. Kita coba yang pertama. Jack is driving a car for the first time. Dia mengendarai mobil untuk pertama kali. He's very nervous and not sure what to do. It's the first time he's driving a car. Okay. Some children at the zoo are looking at giraffe. Apa ya cara bacanya ini? They never seen one before. It's the first time they lah boleh kita pakai atau nggak boleh ya? Boleh ya. It's the first time they have seen a giraffe. Sue is riding a horse. Dia menunggangi kuda. She doesn't look very confident or comfortable. She's berarti she's never right, jadi apa ya? She's never ridden a horse before. Nah. Kemudian number 4, Joe and Lisa are on holiday in Japan. They have been to Japan once before. This is the second time they have been to Japan. Okay. Number 5, Emily is staying at the Prince Hotel. Jadi Emily itu tinggal apa? Stay bukan staycation ya. Staying di Prince Hotel. She stayed there a few years ago. It's not the first time. Apa pakai time gak ya? It's not the first time Emily it's not the first time Kayaknya kita menjelaskan orang ya berarti. It's not the first time she has pokoknya boleh juga ya, atau Emily boleh kita bilang, tapi pakai she aja, kita pakai Emily aja lah deh. It's not the first time Emily has stayed in this hotel. At ya berarti kalau di tempat, at this hotel ya, kira-kira seperti ini guys. Aduh ya, nomor 6 silahkan dijawab ya di kolom komentar. Terima kasih. Ini adalah 8 dari 145. It's a long journey, so tetap temani aku, keep learning every day. Thank you.